See my friend, this is evening time. I have come in my field to record this video. This is not the important thing that I should share. Rather, I have to share something important. You know my friend, I have seen many people. They are good starter but bad finisher. And that is why they are unable to achieve something big in their life. So, if you are also one of them, then you should stop doing from today onwards, or else you won't be able to achieve something big. Okay, see, if you want to do something big, it is going to take a lot of time, effort, energy and patience, right? So see what happened, people, they watch motivational videos and they get motivated, and in a jiffy or in few minutes they take decision that I want to do this particular thing or that particular thing, and afterward they start. Okay, and for few months afterward, if you go and ask to them, then you will see that their energy may have gone somewhere. So it is not good. If we are going to start something, we need to continue. Okay, and how it can be possible if we don't get desperate for our result? People, they stop their work because they get desperate. Okay, that where is my result, why I am unable to see my result, and for that reason they stop. But my friend, in our case, we should not do like that. The effort which we are putting for our work, we should be happy. Okay, we should enjoy our journey, not our result. Okay, we don't know when we will achieve our result in any case, not only for learning this language. Okay, so as you have already started learning this language, and if you are someone who always thinks about the result, that why I am unable to speak this language, why I am unable to explain the things properly, my friend, have patience and put effort with consistency. You will see that you will be able to achieve fluency. See, if someone is speaking this language, they have already given a lot of time, effort, and they were also patiently waiting for that result. Okay, so similarly in your case also, you need to have patience and put effort as harder as you can. Okay, I mean, as many hour as you can practice, or as many hour you can give your mind, your energy or your heart, for that work, do, and then you will see that the result will be very great. Okay, see, I have one story which I read back in day, that was bamboo related story, and that story really stick with me. So what happened, I was also getting impatient that why my English is not improving, why I am unable to explain the things properly after spending a lot of time. When I watched that story and listened that story, afterward I decided not to quit my journey and continue. My friend, I want to share one story which is bamboo tree story, which is very much relatable to us, learner. See what happened, there was one boy, he was trying many things in his life but not achieving good result. That is why he got irritated with his life and he wanted to finish his life also. So someone suggested him, go and meet to one monk. He may suggest you, he may give you good advice or good suggestion. So that boy thought, okay, what's wrong if I go and meet to that monk? He went to that monk and explained everything in detail. After listening this thing, that monk thought a few minutes, and afterward he took this boy to one garden, and over there were varieties of trees and plants. So that monk told to that boy, look at everywhere. So that boy started looking everywhere, and he saw every trees and plants. So that monk said one story to that boy. He said, you know what, there was one farmer, and he planted many trees in his garden. There were bamboo trees also. So what he did, he was not thinking that when my bamboo tree will grow. Rather, he was just giving water to that bamboo tree. Okay, so he saw that other trees, they were growing very fast way, but that bamboo tree was not growing. But that farmer didn't uproot that bamboo tree. He thought, my work is to giving water to this tree, not to uproot. So he kept doing. After few years, he found that that bamboo tree started growing, and that bamboo tree grew, and the length of that bamboo tree was very higher than those other trees in that garden. Okay, so what was happening with that bamboo tree? So when bamboo tree was not growing, then compared to other trees, at that time that bamboo tree was making its roots. If you see bamboo tree's roots, it's very strong. So it take time to make root very strong, and once root is formed and very strong, then it doesn't take a lot of time to grow the that other part of the tree. So same thing happened with that bamboo trees. So when that monk explained this story to that boy understood everything, and he decided from that day onwards that if I select something to do without getting desperate about my result, I will continue. Okay, and he decided, and he went from there, and afterward it took a few years. So he achieved so many big things in his life. Similarly, in our case, my friend, we don't have to care about others. If someone is growing, we no need to care. We need to care to form our root. We are a beginner, and we need to learn small things, and focus about our time, effort, energy, and not get desperate about our result, just like that farmer. Otherwise, what we do, simply we uproot, because we are getting desperate, right? That this tree is not growing, why should I give water unnecessarily? Other trees are growing. My friend, some trees, they take time, because they need time to grow their roots. Similarly, in our case also, if we are going to do something big in our life, so maybe we are unable to see the result quickly. We will be able to see the result, but not now. After some time, once our root is built, once our root is formed and is strong. Okay, I mean, focus about your work. So see what happened. If that farmer had uprooted and planted other plant, so would he got the bamboo trees, big trees? No. In our case also, if we want to achieve something big, we should not quit our journey. We should continue. Okay, and then we will see good result, my friend. Okay, we should learn patience from this story. Or one thing also, that it takes time to build our root. So as a beginner, we are making our root, it is taking time. That's obvious, right? Why we should get desperate or compare with others? Maybe they have already given a lot of time to make their root formed. In our case, now we need to give time, energy, effort, so that our root can be very formed, strong. Okay, and then it will start growing. Once we make our root very strong, and then growth will happen. It will happen very rapidly, just like bamboo tree. Okay, so this is the story which I wanted to share with you. So will it be possible to speak in a few days? No, and never. That is why believe in patience, believe in hard work and effort. Be like farmer, be like that farmer who was consistently giving water to that bamboo tree. Be like that boy who learned, and afterward, instead of focusing about his result, he started focusing about his duty, his karma. In our case also, we need to focus about our karma, our duty, that how many hours we are putting effort in order to become a fluent speaker. And then if we are giving a lot of time and energy and effort, my friend, we are going to speak this language fluently and effortlessly. Whosoever is speaking this language, my friend, they have given a lot of time. So you should also give a lot of time. You should also learn this language. You should also put effort from your side. So this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope you like my video. If you, then please like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.